Hey everyone, Donna here. Today, we're going deep into the world of data analytics, exploring how Microsoft's finance team is leveraging Copilot in Excel for advanced data analysis, and trust me, this tool is nothing short of revolutionary. Whether you're an accountant, a finance professional, or just someone who works with a lot of data, Copilot in Excel could be your new best friend. Let's break it down. What is Copilot in Excel? Microsoft's Copilot uses AI-powered features integrated into Excel to enhance productivity and decision-making. Gone are the days when you had to manually type out complex formulas or sift through endless rows and columns of data. Instead, you simply prompt Copilot to do it for you. Whether it's analyzing financial anomalies, generating automated reports, or creating stunning data visualizations, Copilot saves you tons of time while giving you deeper insights into your data. Key features of Copilot in Excel. 1. Automated data insights. One of the most powerful capabilities is how Copilot can analyze massive datasets and instantly generate summarized insights. For instance, imagine you have thousands of rows of sales data, and you need a quick overview of trends, outliers, or hidden patterns. Just prompt Copilot with something as simple as, "Show me insights on sales performance," and voila! Within seconds, you're presented with tables, charts, and graphs that reveal the story behind the numbers. 2. AI-powered formula suggestions. Copilot doesn't just automate tasks, it helps write formulas too. Many Excel users, even experienced ones, can struggle with writing complex formulas from scratch. With Copilot, you can ask, "Write a formula to calculate year-over-year growth," and it will generate the correct function for you, along with a brief explanation. This feature alone can cut down hours of manual work, especially for tasks like financial modeling or forecasting. 3. Python integration. Now, here's where things get really exciting for data enthusiasts: Python in Excel. With Copilot's integration of Python, advanced users can tap into Python's robust data libraries, making it possible to run advanced data analysis and visualizations directly within Excel. This is a huge step forward, especially for those who typically juggle between Excel and external Python environments. With Python in Excel, you get the best of both worlds, making everything from machine learning to complex statistical analysis more accessible and integrated into your workflow. 4. Advanced data visualization. Visualizing data has always been one of Excel's strong points, but Copilot takes it up a notch. Once you prompt Copilot to generate insights, it can offer a variety of visualization options, from standard bar charts and line graphs to more advanced pivot charts and heat maps. You can even adjust the visualization styles with simple prompts, making it incredibly easy to tailor reports for management or stakeholders. Real-time use cases in finance. Let's take a look at some real-life applications shared by Microsoft's finance team. 1. Identifying data anomalies. Wes Stone, a finance professional at Microsoft, shared how Copilot has transformed the way his team handles anomaly detection. Before Copilot, detecting anomalies in datasets was a manual process that involved filtering through tons of data. Now, with a simple prompt like, "Find anomalies in our quarterly sales data," Copilot highlights potential outliers, saving time and ensuring that nothing gets missed. This capability is critical in finance, where missing an anomaly could lead to incorrect forecasting or budgeting. 2. Speeding up repetitive tasks. Victoria Michailova, another team member, uses Copilot for automating repetitive tasks. For instance, whenever she receives a new set of financial data, she can prompt Copilot to generate an analysis that would typically take hours. This leaves her more time to focus on high-level strategic decisions rather than getting bogged down by manual data entry and cleanup. 3. Improved decision-making. Copilot doesn't just automate the grunt work, it also helps finance professionals make better-informed decisions. By quickly identifying key trends or presenting crucial metrics in easily digestible visual formats, the finance team can provide leadership with timely and accurate insights to guide their decisions. Anka Ionica, from Microsoft's finance department, emphasizes that Copilot allows her to focus on the bigger picture, identifying potential issues or opportunities without being bogged down by data preparation. The power of Python in Excel. One of the most talked about features is Python integration. While Excel has always been a great tool for basic to intermediate analysis, integrating Python opens the doors to advanced analytical techniques such as machine learning. Train and deploy machine learning models directly within Excel. Data cleaning. Automate complex data transformations with Python's powerful libraries like pandas. Statistical analysis. Perform deeper statistical analysis with tools like SciPy and stats models. For finance teams, this means quicker access to predictive analytics, such as forecasting stock prices, optimizing portfolios, or running advanced risk assessments. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates on AI, tech innovations, and productivity tools. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to use Copilot in your workflow. See you in the next video.